Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on Remitly app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will go down until you find this window of Remitly app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Remitly app. If you find updates, then you can update your apps. Please don't forget to support us.